all packed and ready to go. Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am headed out to Nagoya. I am about to check out of my hotel and will be leaving my suitcases down at the reception because this morning I have one more activity squeezed in before I make the trip to Nagoya. This hotel is in Oshiage, which is near the Tokyo Skytree, and in the Skytree Mall there is a KIRBY Cafe, and I managed to get the very last online reservation for today. So I'll drop my suitcases off downstairs and then let's head to the KIRBY Cafe. Let's go! It's literally like little kids and me. KIRBY Cafe, original souvenir, with plates, mugs, and coasters. I think I want the mug. No way. What is this? This might be the cutest themed cafe I have ever been to. This is so cute. Even the cutlery is huge. Definitely one of the more expensive themed cafes I've been to, but it was so worth it. Alright, time to go pick up my suitcase from the hotel, and then I think it's off to Nagoya. Arigatou gozaimashita.
Thank you very much.
We made it. After a big trip from Tokyo to Nagoya, I have made it to my next Airbnb apartment and it is so cute. I'll show you around, let's go. So we will start at the genkan, or the entrance hall of the apartment. It's just a little area where you can take off your shoes, and they've also got some complimentary slippers, which is really thoughtful of them. My suitcase is still here because I literally just walked through the door. There's a little area just at the genkan with some essentials like hand sanitizer and umbrellas. Double locks, which we love for a solo traveling gal. Then we come around into the main dining room and kitchen. They even left me a welcome gift on the table. That is so thoughtful of them. I just love how everything matches. Just wait till I get to the bedroom. We have a fully equipped kitchen. Fridge and freezer. We have a double burner gas stove, a Japanese grill. And then on the other side of the kitchen is the entrance to the bathroom. I love that this apartment has a full-sized bathroom with a separate toilet, bath and shower, and then a laundry as well as the sink and vanity. Hi! It's a little hard to tell, but this is the laundry machine, which is amazing because it means that I don't have to go to a laundromat. I can do all of my laundry here in the apartment. There's even a convenient drying rack for all of my washing. And then in here are all of the towels and some toothbrushes. There are 5 toothbrushes. That's a lot of toothbrushes just for me. Through this door next to the laundry machine is the standalone toilet. And it's a toilet, yep. And then just behind the vanity is the wet room, which is the combined shower and bath. Oh, I love Japanese baths. I'm so excited about these bath products. They had them at the Airbnb back when we were in Osaka and they were my favorite that I've tried so far, so I'm so glad that there's more here. It's called Esther Roya. I think I'm pronouncing that right, but they're so good. This privacy screen is so cool. It reminds me of a ryokan or an izakaya. I gotta come back and get you. And behind this screen is the bedroom. Oh, major cozy vibes. The bed is a double bed and it looks so cozy. There's also a split system in the bedroom, which is awesome because it is still in like the high 20s, early 30s here in Japan. And there is a desk, which is perfect because I plan on doing some editing on my quiet evenings here. Plus, I can do my makeup here. On the back wall of the bedroom, there's also a TV. Looking up from the bed, I thought these were cupboards, but they're not. Look at this. It's a whole other room. It's a tatami room. I love that there's this low bench table where you can sit and work and eat or look out the window. I want my house to look like this in real life at home. If you're ever coming to Nagoya, definitely recommend checking out this Airbnb. I will put the link in the description box below. So I think I'm going to officially sign off the vlog here. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye! I'm so glad I came here. I miss my cat so much. Good biscuits, baby. Good biscuits.